Let's come to Zandile Khumalo, Mrs. Zandile Khumalo.
Asize ke manje kuMzandile Khumalo.
And I'm going to read to you again what she says
Zokufundela futhi ke ukuthi uthini?
in her statement that was introduced an exhibit here at court. And in fact, this confirms what she told this court in a broader context. This is what she said in paragraph 18. I think this is exhibit P2. Exhibit P2. Exhibit P2 in identifying those witnesses or those two intruders. She says in paragraph 18 in exhibit P2, I did not see the gold tooth in any of the suspects' mouth.
Ufakazi bakhe ke uZandile Khumalo uthi angikazeke ngilibone izinyo legolide nanoma kuphi ke umsolwa noma ke kubasolwa labo abangena emlonyeni wabasolwa abangena.
She says, I will be able to identify the suspect if I see him again.
I will.
Yes.
Okay, uthi ke uma ngaphinde ngimbone futhi ke umsolwa ngingamkhomba.
Both of them, I will be able to identify them.
Ngingabakhomba bobabili.
Take you back to our discussion here. Zandile says, unequivocally, and being an identifying witness who says, I can be able to identify both of them. I never saw a gold tooth in any of the two suspects that got into the house.
Njengofakazi ke uZandile Khumalo uthi ke kulaba ke abangena endlini akekho engabona izinyo legolide emlonyeni wakhe.
And in fact, throughout her testimony here at court, she never made mention of a gold tooth
Kubo bonke ubufakazi bakhe ke la enkantolo akaze nje akhulumeke ngezinyo legolide.
that she saw in any of the two perpetrators that got into her homestead.
Ukuthi ke wabona ke komunye ke walaba noma kuwuphi ke kulaba ababili abangena emzini wakubo ngalelo langa lelo.
The issue of a golden teeth, a gold tooth, gets introduced by Brigadier Gininda when he makes an application to the magistrate in that affidavit that he dealt with.
Udaba lwezinyo legolide lukhulunywa ke noma lushiwo ke uyena uBrigadier Gininda uma ngabe enza isicelo kwimanje.
On the proceedings of the 22nd of January 2024, on page number 14,
22 January 2024, page 14.
this is what Brigadier Gininda told this court. He says, photos downloaded, taken of the accused by himself, or selfies, match the description of the suspect who was or who had a firearm with dreadlocks, big eyes, and with a gold teeth.
Lana ke uyasho ke ukuthi ke ithombe phecelezi ke ama selfie ezathutshulwa uyena ke umsolwa ke eyithobula noma eyishuta yena ke ziyakusho ke noma ke zihambisana ke nalokho ke okwashiwo ke ukukhulunya izinyo legolide. Can you just mention them Can you mention them again, sorry? Gold tooth,
Dreadlocks,
ama-dreads yebo,
big eyes,
amehlo amakhulu
and had a firearm.
kanye futhi nesibhamu.
Yes. So that is the first time that the court gets that kind of this additional descriptive feature of the suspect who had a firearm.
Manje ke kwakuye kokuqala ke manje ke inkantolo izwa ke ngalezi ezinye ke izinto eseyifakelwa noma ke eseyishiwo ke ngalo umsolwa owayephethe isibhamu.
Okay.
My Lord, that is not correct. We have evidence of Exhibit J, an affidavit or a statement by Yvonne Amanda Steenkamp, wherein the people that were in the house compiled an ID kit, and in that statement, my Lord, there is a mention of a gold tooth as well, my Lord. It's not like something that Brigadier Gininda came up with. It was there, my Lord. I think 3 days after the commission of the offence. There's a copy.
Akusilona ke iqiniso lelo. Emuva komalanga ke amathathu isigameko senzeka ngesikhathi ke ofakazi bahamba ke bayohlangana naye ke uSteenkamp iphoyisa ke lona ke owayedweba udaba ke lwezinyo legolide lwakhulunywa khona lapho hayi ukuthi ke udaba olwavela okokuqala noma lwavezwa okokuqala uBrigadier Gininda.
And furthermore, my Lord, the witness that mentions that is Thabang Makeleni.
Futhi ke ufakazi okushoyo lokho uThabang Makeleni.
As it is the court, my Lord, I don't know whether I need to do justice by my response in this instance. Mr. Makeleni has not been called to come testify. Ms. Amanda Steenkamp has not been called to come testify here, unless the state are saying, well, we would proceed to call them. But evidence that is before court, there's no one, definitely no one who came and said that one of the witnesses who was in the house had a gold teeth. except for Brigadier Kininda, here at court.
Ngikhuluma lana ke enkantolo uSteenkamp akabizwanga ke njengofakazi, uMakeleni akabizwanga njengofakazi. La enkantolo umuntu owakhuluma ngalo udaba lolo uBrigadier Kininda kuphela nofakazi ke abakushongo lokho.
But nonetheless, let us proceed, Mr. Mncube. Now, Mr. Mncube, you have heard the background that I've sketched, which led to this photo coming here at court. I mean, being introduced as you having a golden teeth.
Ukuzwileke lokho ngikushilo kwena ke ngichazela ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi ke isithombe lesi ke sigcine sesila enkantolo.
Yebo.
Yes.
Just a second. I'm sorry, my lord. In addition to my response, Mr. Ramasipili is drawing my attention to the fact relating to what I don't know whether it's Miss Makaleni or Mr. Makaleni said, but according to Mr. Ramasipili, is that had nothing to do, that which was said by Mr. Makaleni with regard to somebody having a golden teeth, had nothing to do with Mr. Mncube. It had everything to do with Mr. Makaleni identified as accused number, the person who said had a golden teeth, and as per the narrative of Brigadier Kininda, that was accused number 2. In other words, there's no point at which Mr. or Ms. Makaleni came and said the gun-touching criminal had a golden teeth or tooth.
Kulempendulo ke kona lokho kushiwo kuyena ke uMakeleni useyangibuza ke umnumzana kaMsipile ukuthi ke kwinkulumo yakhe uMakeleni noma kuloko akusho uMakeleni akukho kwakuhlanganisa ke umnumzana uNcube kodwa ke kwakuyinto ke ehlanganisa noma ke inkulumo isiwa ke kuyena ke umsolwa wesibili kodwa engakhulumi ngomsolwa wesithathu.
Thank you. You have heard the background that I've sketched, Mr. Mncube. Do you have any comments?
Uzwile ke lokho engikushilo ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi isithombe lesi sifinyelele noma sigcine sesila enkantolo khona office ukusho
lesi sithombe lesi sifike la ecourt last year.
This photo was brought to court last year in June.
Lesi sithombe lesi uGininda uthi wathola uMabaso 2020.
Sorry, Gininda was thola kuMabaso
2020.
Okay, this photo Gininda says that he got this photo from Mabasa in 2020.
So lesi sithombe kuba thiwa sasine gold teeth.
If it is said that there was a gold tooth in this photo,
wayengeke uBrigadier Gininda asukele omunye umuntu athi yimi.
Brigadier Gininda would not have gone after someone else and said that that person was me.
Last year ngangaphosisi beku 5 years or 6 years kuleli cala.
Last year, if I'm not mistaken, it was 5 or 6 years in this matter.
Eni yonke leminyaka lena 5 or 6 lokuyisithombe sikakwenza ebekuthiwa yimi one gold teeth.
Oh, for all these years, 5 or 6 years, it was Gwenza's photo where it was alleged that it was me with the gold tooth.
Let's pause it today. Let's go to photo number, I think page 15. Page 15 of Exhibit S. Yes. You refer to somebody known as Gwenza who Brigadier Kininda said it had a golden tooth. Is this the person that you're referring to as Gwenza?
Uyena ukwenza ukhuluma ngayo lo?
Yebo uye.
Yes, it is him.
Do you know him?
Uyamazi?
Ubhuti wami
This is my brother.
ngilama yena.
I come after him.
So he's your elder brother.
Umdala kunawe.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. So what about him? You can proceed with your explanation.
Uthini ke ngayo ungaqhubeka?
Ngithi uGininda wayengeke athathe lesi sithombe sikabhuti lesi athi yimi.
I am saying Gininda would not have taken my big brother's or my elder brother's photo and say it's me
Sikhona isithombe sama sibonayo sine gold teeth.
when there is a photo of mine that he's able to see or that he sees that it has a gold tooth.
Lesi sithombe phela musibhekele nje ngiyahleka nje amazinyo asobala.
That photo, when you look at it, I'm just laughing there. It's just clear teeth there.
Wayothi mayivula nje lela amaphepha amnika yona athi washa nangoku kunezinyo legolide.
Now, if he was going to open that photo as it was given to him, he was going to say, there you go. Yeah, there he is. He's got a gold tooth.
Ngoba izinyo legolide azange libone lalingekho. Ingakho ngasilethanga la ekhona.
Because he did not see a gold tooth. It was not there. That's why he never brought it to court.
Wahlala phansi wacabanga ukuthi ngamplanta ngani.
He then sat down and thought, what is it that I can use against him? What is it? How can I plant him?
Wathi hayi ngoba hayi impela kusuyena impela kodwa hayi ngiyamfaka uye lo.
He then said, oh, yeah, because it is not him, but I'm going to put him in. This is him.
ngoba efuna ecourt ukuthi kuzwakale lento efuna uye.
Because he wants the court to hear that which he wants.
Wayebone kahle ukuthi akusu umncube lo.
He saw it very clear that this is not Mncube.
Kodwa wathatha isithombe silethe court.
But he took the photo and brought it to court.
Ngokuhlala kwakhe abone ukuthi eshile lento langathi ayabhampa into yami.
Sitting down thinking that no, it's not working out.
Wathi asikhona isithombe sakavela kusamazinyo ukuthi siplante sona ke manje.
Then said, oh yeah, there is a photo of him where his teeth are appearing. Let's plant that one.
Ukuze lento ibuye ize kuyeke manje.
So that this comes back to him.
Ngoba phela lesi sithombe lesi ngisho kaningi la ecourt la ebhokiseni ugena indawo ngithi akusimbi nalo.
Because this particular photo, I said it many times here that this is not me.
Ugena indawo kodwa lokho eqhubekile athi uye.
But Gininda kept on saying it's him.
Yabona.
You see?
So waletha lesi esamike last year sesiplante ngezinyo legolide.
Now he brought my photo last year where now this gold tooth has been planted.
Azange sibe negolide lesi sithombe lesi.
There was never gold in that photo.
Mina mnikazi wala zange ngifake igolide.
Me, being the owner thereof, I never inserted gold.
And bathi lesi sithombe sishuthwe ngeselfie.
They are alleging, claiming that that photo was taken through a selfie.
Leya phone le ngisebenzisa mina iSamsung engana selfie engana ngisho camera ngaphambili.
That particular phone that I was using, the Samsung, did not have a selfie or it did not even have a camera in front.
So into engekho leyo.
So that's something that's non-existent.
Thank you, Mr. Mncube. Just to confirm what you are saying, that there's an allegation that the photos were taken, that photo where it is alleged that you've got a golden teeth, that exhibit SD. This is what Brigadier Gininda himself says in the record, where he says photos download taken of the accused by himself or selfist match the description of the suspect who was or wear a firearm with dreadlocks, big eyes, and with a gold teeth. Indeed, he told this court that that photo, which he claims to have been taken with, which he claims that it had a golden teeth, was taken with a selfie. And you
Ngempela ke kuloko kushoyo uqeda ufunda ku-advocate ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe ke uBrigadier Gininda wakusho ke ukuthi ke isithombe lesiyana ke sathotshulwa kusetshenziswa ke ukuthi wena ke wayithwebula noma ke lokho kusetshenziswa ukuthi ke iselfie esho ke lapho ukhuluma ngesibhamu ukhuluma ke ngamehlo amakhulu ukhuluma ngawo futhi ke ama-dress kanye nalo futhi izinyo legolide.
Thank you. Yes.
Ma ukhumbula kahle koSankantolo la bazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi bethi ngoba befaka ama selfie bethi lesi sithombe babethi igolide likwa right.
If you remember well, my lord, they tried by all means when they referred to the photo saying it's a selfie and then also saying that the gold was on the right hand side.
Kuze kwafika umabasa la ebhokisini.
Mabasa came here to court and took the witness doc.
Washo same story ukuthi isithombe lesi sashuthwa ngeselfie.
And said the same thing, that the photo was taken by selfie.
Makambuza la court wajika wathi hayi ngenzeka mabe mtshethise le phone engenayo icamera ngaphambili wathi ngenzeka iselfie yangemuva.
When he was then told that the phone did not have a front camera, he then said it's possible that it was the back camera.
Ngoba igolide wayelikhomba kwa right waze wathi yena ifone mawushutha ngayo ilokhu ziyajika ilokhu zanamasise efonini.
Because now I was said that the gold was on the right, or you were saying the gold was on the right, he then said that when the photo is now on the phone, it then now switches or it turns around.
Kose kanto liyacela ipolice lama lapha washutha elinoba uJonas lawo mabasa.
And then the court then requested a police officer to stand in front here and take a photo of Jonas and Mabasa.
Isithombe safawa lapha isithombe sangisijika.
The photo was beamed there, and there were no changes on the photo.
Ngoba yena wayethi izinyo likwa right.
Because he was claiming or alleging that the tooth was on the right side.
Wathi lesi isithombe sesi2.
He then said on the second photo,
safakwa futhi lapha isithombe sangajika.
It was also beamed here, and there were no changes.
Uthe kusakhulunywa ubaba Sibanda wasishintsha ke computer zaba yi2.
When there were still deliberations, then Mr. Sibanda then changed it, and there were two photos.
Wathi sesijikile. Wathi seshintshile.
He then said, now there were indeed changes.
But
it was changed using the computer.
Ngoba befunani abashushisi namaphoyisa befuna izinyo lekwa right.
Because what they wanted, that is now the prosecution as well as the police, they wanted the tooth to be on the right side.
Leyo nto le abayenzayo yonke le into engekho.
Now all of that they were doing, it's something that is non-existent.
Njengoba sifika nje last year lesithombe June ngoba sasikade singanagolide.
As this photo was now brought to court last year in June, it's because there was no gold.
Thank you, Mr. Mncube. Just one second.